Hey guys, it's Holly with Cricut Craft Life, and today I'm going to show you how to cut by color in Cricut Design Space. So I have my image here, and say that I want to cut it in 3 colors. I'm going to go ahead over here to the Layers tab, and I'm going to duplicate it twice to create 3 layers. Then I can click the icon and work with just 1 layer to change. So I'm going to go down here to the bottom right, and I'm going to click Contour and contour out the pieces of the image that I don't want to cut. So now I have my first layer. I can move on to the second layer, uncheck the eye, go to Contour, and contour out the pieces of the image that I don't want to cut again. And now I have my second layer. Now I'm going to go to my third, contour, and I'll do the same to contour out the pieces of the image that I don't want to cut. And now I have my 3 layers here. Now over here in the tab you can see that the color is black, and if you tap that you can change your color to sort them onto the mat and cut them in different areas of the mat. So I'm going to change these to cut 3 different colors. Do a light purple on that last one. And when I click Make It, you can see that it sorts the projects onto the mat by color. And so that's how you cut by color in Cricut Design Space. So thanks guys for watching, and you can find your free SVG cut files at shopcraftables.com.